Hey there, I'm Andy Wood, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost blue skies using the HSL settings. Hey there, welcome to the Image Punk channel. I'm Andy Wood, and before we get started, can I suggest that after you've watched the tutorial, if you head over to imagepunk.com, you can grab yourself some free presets by signing up to my weekly newsletter. And if you like this channel, you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to it. Okay, let's get started. Now, the first thing to say is that boosting the blue skies using HSL, it will only work if there is blue in the sky. So if you've got these images where they're totally grey skies, it's not going to work. And also, using the HSL settings, it will boost all the blues in an image. So if there are blues elsewhere, other than the sky, then they will be boosted too. So just bear that in mind. So it works best where there's not a lot of blue elsewhere. You can see this chap taking the photograph in this image. He's got a blue jacket on. So that's going to be boosted slightly too. But as I say, if you have an image that doesn't contain a lot of other blues, then this technique works pretty well. So go over to the HSL adjustment panel and click on the luminance tab. Now the first thing we're going to do is take the blues down to somewhere around about the -30 mark. -31, that'll be fine. This will vary, it's very image dependent, but the good starting point is you may want to take the aqua down as well, and we'll take that round to about -25. Now the next setting, just click on the saturation, and we're going to take the blues up to around about 40 or 50. And we'll take the aquas up just slightly, maybe 15, so just something less than 20. If you look at this, there's after, there's before. You can see it's boosted all the blues. But also, if you look at this chap's jacket, it's darkened it slightly. It's just darkened the blue shadow on there. So in some instances, you might want to go back to the basics, either just reduce and play with the sliders in the HSL settings, or another quick way is just to lift up slightly the shadows and just brighten them slightly. But in effect, that's it. It really is as simple as that. Now if you want to save this, just head over to the presets panel, click the plus, create a preset, and we'll call this Boost Blues. And we'll put blue sky, and we'll put 1 because there's another technique that I can show you in a separate video, and we will hit create. Now just to show you the effect that this can have, so there we have an image that's quite blue. I said where there are other blues it will boost them too. So if you look at the sea there as well, when we boost the blues, you get quite an effect. That don't look too bad, to be honest, but that's because it's blue sea. And if we go to another one with sea, blue sky, blue sea, and another one, you can see it just brings out the blue in the sky, and to some extent the sea in this one. And then lastly, let me just show you one. This is an image with a grey sky, and it's doing nothing really with that, and that's because there are no blues in the image really to boost. So as I say, it works well where there's blue in the image and in the sky, and there you have it. Thanks for tuning in, and again, if you head over to imagepunk.com, you can grab some free presets. Thanks for watching. Cheers.